Why motivation fades and how to keep it going. Many people start with high motivation but lose it over time. Why? Because motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. The secret to long-term success is not just motivation, but discipline and consistency. How to stay motivated, even on tough days. 1. Start your day with a winning routine. How you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Create a morning routine that energizes you. Affirmations. Start with positive self-talk. Exercise boosts energy and focus. Journaling helps clarify your goals and thoughts. 2. Find your why. Motivation lasts longer when you have a strong reason behind your goals. Ask yourself, why do I want to achieve this? Who am I doing this for? When you feel unmotivated, revisit your why to reignite your drive. 3. Surround yourself with motivation. Your environment affects your mindset. Surround yourself with inspirational books and podcasts, successful and positive people, uplifting quotes and reminders. 4. Set micro goals and celebrate wins. Big goals take time, so break them down. Celebrate every small win. It keeps you excited and motivated. 5. Learn from setbacks instead of getting discouraged. Failure is part of the journey. Instead of quitting, analyze what went wrong and adjust. Every challenge is a lesson. Real-life example. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Before becoming one of the highest-paid actors, The Rock had only $7 in his pocket after being cut from his football team, but he stayed motivated, worked hard, and reinvented himself. Today, he's one of the most successful entertainers in the world. His motto? Be the hardest worker in the room. Key takeaway. Motivation is created, not something you wait for. Build habits that keep you inspired every single day. Please like, comment, and subscribe.